people, how are you? My very good name is Christabel and this is my YouTube channel, Doing Life with Chris. If you're new here, pull a chair because here we learn, we grow, we create memories and we experience life together. Thank you so much for those that have been here and making our channel grow. Thank you so much. It is Sunday, it is a weekend, it is yet another bright and beautiful day without a nanny. And so I want to show you what our weekends entail without a nanny. We have to do a lot of cleaning. Oh my goodness, cleaning. We have to do a lot of TLC, tender loving care of our home, because during the weekdays we're not able to do much. We have to do laundry, we have to do so much. I am super excited. I love cleaning, I love organizing. I just love clean, airy spaces. Our baby was not feeling well, so I convinced Fabian and the dad to take her to the hospital. So that's what's up. So we have, if we are lucky, an hour, but 30 minutes tops. I want to see what I can get handled within that period. And because we've already had breakfast, I want to very quickly make our 10 o'clock snack. It is not 10 o'clock yet. So I want to throw down a Mahamri recipe. This is so easy. It is even easier than mandazi. By the way, let me just confess this. I don't know how to make mandazi. Like, I do know the process, but mandazi haijawai nikubali. So I find myself gravitating towards Mahamri. Oh my goodness. And well, I need an apron. But I don't have the time to go for it. So I was saying that I find myself leaning towards Mahamri because it's so easy and so stress-free and it is so fail-proof. Yani, sijai pika Mahamri ikose kufura. Mandazi, on the other hand, hey, my God, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. So, the day that I'll be able to hack that mandazi recipe, I will come back here. There are times that I cook and it is so amazing. Yani inafura mpaka yani inataka kujionyesha. It is just outshining everyone. And then the other times, I think naipikanga kama haina mood. Like, none of them inflates when I dip them in oil. So some people say, oh, nivila mafuta yako ilikuwa moto. And then others say, oh, mafuta yako ilikuwa moto sana. So I have never really known how to please this mandazi girl, but I'm going to hack it. So that is 2. I need 6 cups. 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Tumia yenye unanunuanga, mimi sikwambii nunua hii ama ile. But tukianza kupata hizo majobs, nitamwambia ni gani mzuri, si ndio? 6. Ordinarily, I would make 3 cups of flour if I was just making a one-off recipe, but because I want to double it, I have doubled it to 6 cups of all-purpose flour. I forgot to introduce my ingredients. So this is my all-purpose flour, this is my sugar. I had already started proofing my yeast, so I put 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And remember, we said that yeast has a sweet tooth, so you need to add that extra kick of sweetness, which is sugar, for it to proof properly. So it means that my yeast is alive and I have had this yeast since forever. What I do is I put it in a container and put it in my fridge. So inakuanga kwa fridge, but I have realized that even if you put it in your cabinet, it will still be good as long as you don't expose it. So I have my baking powder here, because for Mahamri, I combine both yeast and baking powder. So I'll go 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Okay? So that's my baking powder and my yeast. I have cardamom. I am using cardamom spice today, but you can also use cinnamon if you like. I am feeling some type of way today, so I'm going to use cardamom. And then I have salt, of course, and I have coconut milk. A 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a whole tablespoon of cardamom powder, a whole tablespoon of baking powder. My yeast has been proofing for about 5 minutes, and the only reason why we proof yeast is because we want to know whether it is alive or dead. Oil to knead their Mahamris. I don't, because I'm going to deep fry in oil anyway, and I feel like, well, that's enough oil. Oh my goodness, they are back. You guys are back so early. Why? And let it rise until it doubles in size. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm just gonna leave it here at the counter and just trust the process.